Hi everyone, it's Trace. I'm back with another video. And today I'm here in my craft room just playing with um, packaging. Not packaging, but like Amazon package stuffers. This paper, that they put in every, container or shipping box you buy, whatever. And I saw Terry over at Tellen's place. She used a paper bag, or I don't know if she used the same material, and my hands are inky. Um, I was like, oh my gosh, that is such a good. What do we do with these? I know people have used this to um, make journals, like a paper bag. It's the feel of a paper bag, and it's just brown paper. And I was playing with my new stamp. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's a Stamp Abilities, and it is faded text background. And I just fell in love with it. And it was only $5.99. I was like, wow, it wasn't even on sale. Normally these cost like $10, $11, like at Michael's or other places, other craft stores. And I was like, okay, well, I could have gotten it cheaper, maybe. Well, yeah, when they do their clearances, but I was like, I want it now. I want it now. So I made some little pockets. I think I took her I don't know if I took her idea of making these little pockets, but it's kind of similar to these little folders that I created. Um, it's kind of the same concept. Um, but this one I was trying to do like an ATC. Wait, where's my card here? I have a ATC card. Um, I was trying to make an ATC pocket, or thing that you can put an ATC in, but my measurements were off, which I don't care because I could put this in a journal, or I could add it in a card and add some goodies to it and send to some friends. This one's more the size of an ATC. And then I used my pinking shears. I This is the first time I used it on paper, and I don't know if that's a good thing or not, because they always say, um, certain scissors should be strictly for fabric. Um, but oh well. I am just, going against all odds. So anyway, so I did that, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have a big sheet. I have a big sheet, and I'm just cutting pieces off of it, right? And I created an envelope, an A2 size envelope, and I used my what do you call this? I used my old envelope punch board. I mean, it didn't punch out. My punch here is broken. It's not completely broken, but it doesn't. It's old, and the punch does see, like, this came off, and the punch does not punch back, or it doesn't work as well as it used to. Um, but I still have it, and I use it on occasion. I love it because of all the measurements. You can make all kinds of different size cards with it. And yes, I could buy a new one, but this is okay. It's not completely broken, but I just have to um, you know fuss with it, and it will bounce back. But yeah. Oh, great. I'm going to break it, and then I won't have a punch board. But anyway, so I made a little envelope with this paper, and then I used my distress ink and I distressed around it with vintage photo, walnut stain. It just gives this old paper look, and it already has that crinkled look, which I love. And you can add, a card in here and mail it off to somebody. Put their return address here. How cute would that be? So there's ways we can use this packaging, and you can use it for journal making, all kinds of stuff. But I just wanted to come on and share. Thanks, Terry, for the inspiration, and I love it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.